Many young professionals suffer with the idea that it is a hard work and difficult to change behaviors and grow by oneself. But nothing could be further from the truth. The reason why you haven't been successful earlier is not your fault. The reason is that the workshops which you have attended earlier did not follow the principles of neuroscience and adult learning style. Hi, my name is Pawan Bakshi, and if you want to succeed in your personal and professional lives, then pay very close attention. If you truly desire to grow and add value to yourself and add value to others, then this is exactly what you are looking for. I'd like to introduce to you the Young Professionals Growth Club membership, which will help you with the what and how of amazing growth and fulfillment. The Young Professionals Growth Club membership makes it simple for you to catalyze your growth, surpass your potential, achieve happiness and fulfillment, and inspires others to do so. The YPGC follows the principles of neuroscience of learning. These are: the brain loves certainty. On becoming a member, you will have your 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month growth journey available in one single platform. The brain loves autonomy. You can design your own sequence of learning and go through any or all 22 workshops in the sequence you want. Brain can best focus on one thing at a time. All of workshops focus on only one competency at a time. Could be stress management, building self-confidence, building your influence, and so on. During learning, the brain consumes a lot of energy and gets depleted of it very fast. Each module of the workshop has been structured for 20 to 30 minutes of bite-sized learning. We strongly recommend you avoid cramming, that is, undertaking many modules in one sitting. The brain loves novelty. These Netflix-style workshops are not the as-usual boring PowerPoint slides with the speaker speaking. The brain dislikes this kind of learning and gets distracted very fast. Our modules have relevant images, videos, and animations to engage your brain. Brain learns through reflection and getting the aha moments. Our modules make you reflect after each module and connects these learnings with your life. Each of you will come up with aha moments which will be unique and specific to your personal and professional lives. We recommend that you complete all actions of each module before you go to the next. The brain cannot multitask. You would have noticed that while attending workshops, the learner is busy making notes of what the speaker is saying. At the same time, they want to understand the content. This is just not possible since the brain cannot multitask. In our workshop, every single word spoken in the video, either by the speaker or animation, is given word by word in the participant's manual. Hence, the brain can focus on only one thing, that is, understanding and learning the content. Our brain is a social animal and loves to interact with other learners. We provide a learners community where all learners are interconnected and can share their learnings, ask questions, and go through a shared learning journey, learning from each other. Brain learns new behavior through repetitive actions, that is, through a process. Each workshop provides the learner with tools and techniques which enable them to follow the process of learning new skills. Checklists are provided for each workshop to ensure that implementation of the process is easy and effective, and you get much more. And what makes this even better, never have to worry about the how and what of the process, which also means you will never feel stuck about how to actualize your potential. And best of all, you will start seeing results with the Young Professional membership almost immediately, and it costs you less than a dinner in a restaurant per month. So again, if you have the desire to grow and add value to yourself so that you can add value to others, understand this. The world as we know has changed. only the best will survive. Because only today matters, tomorrow never comes. Job opportunities are shrinking, leading to major uncertainty, and Young Professionals Growth Club membership holds the key to your success. Claim a free trial today right now by clicking on the button below. Best of luck.